This game is called Foursquare. It is for grades 3rd through 5th, and the equipment that you will need are Foursquare balls and sidewalk chalk. This game is called Foursquare. It is for grades 3rd through 5th, and the equipment that you will need are Foursquare balls and sidewalk chalk. First, use sidewalk chalk to make one large square and then divide it evenly into quarters. Each one of these quarters will have a number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, divide students into groups of 4. Next, divide students into groups of 4 or more. Each group will need 1 quart and 1 Foursquare ball. To start the game, the student in square 4 will serve the ball to square 2. To do this, they will drop the ball and underhand hit it. After the serve to square 2, the ball can be hit to any of the squares. There are a few different ways to get out during this game. For these, typically when someone gets out, everybody will rotate. Typically, when someone gets out, the group will rotate. But for the example, nobody will rotate. We'll talk about rotating short. But for the example, nobody will rotate. We will talk about rotating in a little bit. One way to get out is if you hit the inside line. In this video, the inside lines are red. One way to get out is if you hit the ball and it lands on the inside line. In this video, the inside lines are red. As you see, the purple X in square 4 serve the ball and hit the inside line, so they are out. Another way to get out is if you hit the ball out of any of the squares. As you see, the purple X hit the ball out. As you see, the purple X hit the ball out of any of the squares. The purple X just hit the ball out of any of the squares, so they are out. Another way to get out is if you catch the ball. Another way to get out is if you catch the ball. The ball cannot be caught in this game. It must be quickly hit to another square. As you see, the green X in square 2 caught the ball, so they are out. When trying to hit the ball, you only get one chance. So in this example, when you hit the ball, you only get one chance. In this example, the orange X in square 3 bobbled the ball, or they hit it more than once, so they are out. Now we'll talk about how to rotate. When you rotate, during rotation, you only rotate up a number. So for this example, the orange X in square 3 got out. So you saw the student in square 2 rotated to square 3, square 1 rotated to square 2, and the red X, who is not in a square, is now in square 1. The student in square 4 does not rotate down. That's why they remained where they did. The student in square 4 stayed there. The student in square 4 did not rotate because they will never rotate down a number.